Johnny Snow back in the building. Let's go on and start this off in Atlanta. ATL natives, hit me in the comments. Tell me if you know what road your boy on.
Right now. Left to right. Southbound on legs. Please tip me over pit. Bound to get back in it. Just trying to get back in it. Coming up north through hills. Looking for another pit. I got people on the way. Use 76 runs for another pit. Taking the exit for through hills.
Shawty was driving the hell out of that old ass Benz. I was actually impressed. You know, he was a good driver, but I'm gonna tell you, in Atlanta, you know, sometimes it don't matter when you surrounded by people like this. I would have had to break out the camera on that one too. You got fools trying to dash and make it to exits.
What the f are you doing? You still f***ing asshole. Oh my God.
You got idiots trying to merge.
There's no so you know these people have
fucking cocksmoker
over 30 years, and then all of a sudden you're like, nah, I'm sorry, you're too old, go away. What's Bob Catter gonna do otherwise? Like, you can't go back into the army, even though he's really good at it.
And on top of that, you got all these dummies on their cell phone. You got a lot of dummies on the cell phone. People be slipping on the cell phone way too much. We got one more video. You got to deal with trash in the road.
Pineapple Jack. It's not Pineapple Express, it's Pineapple Jack.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
There's freaking Mother Nature that come in and mess your day up. Sometimes the accident has absolutely nothing to do with you.
556.
Oh shit.
What the? Ah, look at the car. Baby, what the?
I gotta help. I gotta go help.
Yeah.
Other times, it's just not your lucky day. Some people just can't damn drive.
Are you nuts?
Damn! Damn!
And then some people just stupid.
Not the red light to stop at, bruh.
Oh my.
Are they gonna stop too? What? What are they? What the? I've never seen some this stupid in my entire life.
Full disclosure, I got irritated today in traffic before I filmed this video. It changed the direction this video was going. Alright, I'm going to end this on a lighter note. Let's just say this next guy, he's lucky to be alive.
Yeah, I got a package.
No! Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog! It's okay. It's okay. Get your dog! Get your dog! Get your dog!
Alright, that brings us to the end of another episode of Stick Talk. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Notifications. Johnny Snow up out of here.